Hello, another AQA A-level Physics multi-choice question. If you want to choose a different question from the same topic, click on the information card here. If you want to attempt this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer C, well done. So which characteristics of monochromatic light change when light passes from air into glass? Well, frequency doesn't. Frequency of a photon is always constant. It doesn't change. Can't change because the energy of a photon is equal to the Planck constant multiplied by the frequency. And the energy of a photon is constant. It cannot lose or gain energy. It can either exist and have its amount of energy or not exist and have no energy. When light does go from air into glass, it slows down, so its speed changes, it gets less. And because we know that speed is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength, then if the speed changes and the frequency remains constant, the wavelength must also change. In this particular case, the wavelength, if the light slows down, the wavelength must get shorter. So, what changes? The speed changes and the wavelength changes, the frequency doesn't. So your answer is C. If this video was useful, hit the subscribe button please. Give me a like, share with friends and watch more in the series. Thank you.